Hi children, welcome to our class. Fifth Science, Chapter 7, Food Chain. What is food chain? The transfer of energy from one living thing to another living thing in a sequence order is called a food chain. Children, do you know scavengers? Scavengers are the animals, birds or insects that feed on the dead and decaying matter. For example, vultures, crows, and hawks are the scavenger birds that consume dead animals as food. Decomposers. Decomposers break down the dead animals and dead plants into useful products which help the plants to grow well. What are decomposers? Break down dead plant and animal matter and waste. In the decaying process, decomposers release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. Decomposers eat dead plants and dead animals and decomposes them and reduces them into simpler forms of matter. For examples are microorganisms like bacteria and fungi are the examples of decomposers. There are various food chains in nature. A food chain in a grassland. Grass is eaten by a grasshopper. The grasshopper is eaten by a frog. The frog is eaten by a snake. The snake is eaten by a hawk. Hawk is decomposed by bacteria or fungi. Another example, a food chain in a pond. Small fishes eaten by a big fish is eaten by a crane. A food chain in a forest. Grass is eaten by a deer, the deer is eaten by a lion, lion is eaten by a hawk. What do you think would happen if the number of snakes increases suddenly? Once the snakes eat up all the frogs, there will be no food left for the snakes and they would die soon. This will disturb the entire food chain. So it is very important to have a balance in nature. Thank you, my dear children.